Okay guys, this is the calibration for the Nova3D printer, and this one is the Gem 3 Max. So making this video because I have seen that there is not too much information about it. So first thing you gotta do is to loose all the 4 screws around the build plate. Once you lose the build plate and make sure it's loosed, you're gonna go to the menu over here. Let me get this one down. It's gonna be in print, so you're gonna go to tools, and then you see this red part over here. Okay, so you're gonna touch over here, and it's gonna ask you if reset is confirmed. So you're gonna say yes, and you're gonna put paper in the four corners of the screen, and you're gonna say yes, and the build plate will start coming down. And once it touches the screen, that would be your home place. So let's wait for it. Both this printer and the first, I did like 2 prints and they all failed, so I guess it's not well calibrated from factory, because the communication is a little difficult with the people in China because we have different times. I decided to do it myself since I have more experience with the frozen 3D printer. My knowledge made me think it was the same kind of thing, you know, because also the build plate looks like a frozen one. So right now I already touched the screen, so I'm gonna start seeing the papers feel tight down there. And okay, this one is a little lost, so I'm gonna put my fingers and press on the build plate and start tightening the screws. Let's see. So I'm gonna do this one in the corner first, then I'm gonna go here in the other corner. Okay, and I'm gonna test again, and yeah, this one feels really tight, so I have to move a little bit but not too loose. Okay, this one feels good too, so I'm gonna tie the other 2 screws, this one and the other one in the other corner. Okay, and always pressing down. Okay, that's good enough. And yeah, they feel really good. So over here, I don't know if I have to press saving, but yeah, I'm gonna press save. Do you want to save it? Yes. So now it's gonna save the home position right there. Yes. And that's it. You can raise up the build plate, and you got your build plate calibrated. I hope this helps. See you in the next video, guys.